on in here? Oh, nothing.
Oh, nothing. I'm not doing anything.
Don't you guys have stuff to do outside?
Aren't you busy? Go on. Got him. Feels pretty heavy actually. Feeling pretty heavy.
Well, let me get this out of your way.
Oh, I'm already here. Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Summit. Summit. Look at this one.
It's not as big as yours, but it's a nice one.
Look at how full his belly is.
Ready, buddy? Oh, we gotta. Hang on.
Can I pull it?
Yep, keep pulling. Okay.
Oh, there's something.
Get him.
Yep, there's something. There's something.
Oh, pull it to the side.
There's something
Oh,
on
hang on. Slow down now. Slow down
There's
now.
something on it.
Yep, he's pulling hard now. Slow down.
Oh,
Slow down.
oh,
Slow
that's
down.
oh,
Oh, buddy.
that's a big one.
Hang on.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. Slow down. Slow
Oh,
down,
that's
buddy.
a big
Slow
one.
down.
Oh,
slow
that's
down.
a big pike. Oh, that's something.
How is it
big.
around? Oh, it's around that one too, maybe.
Oh, jeez,
that what
that's
you're-
big.
Hang on,
Oh,
hang
gosh,
on.
that's big.
Slow down. Let it pull back.
He's
Yep.
running, he's running.
Yeah, he's running alright. Yep. Okay. Take him back up again, bud. Slowly this time. Don't pull too hard. It's around that one.
We got the line.
It's around that one too.
Oh, we got a big
Hang on. Slow down.
There's two bobbies
Yep.
on this?
Slow down. Slow down. He's right here, bud. Don't pull too hard. His head's right there. Don't pull too hard. He's
You
right-
get him up the hole.
Yeah, he's just about there.
Dad, can we keep this one?
Here he comes.
Oh, that's a big one.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh,
There we go.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Dad, can we keep that guy?
I don't.
Nice fish.
Oh, hang on.
Holy
Thumb in
cow.
there.
Got a fish. Got a fish.
Here,
Dad, don't throw it down.
I'm gonna take a picture of this guy.
Dad, don't throw it down.
I think I'm going to, buddy.
Another big dog.
No,
Okay.
Dad.
Yeah.
Don't throw it down.
Buddy, if we keep all these big ones, there won't be any more big ones.
No,
32.
Mike, are you gonna hold that up for me, please?
Dad.
32 and a half, buddy.
I got
just
it.
Grab him by that gill right there.
By the skill?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Reach
Yeah.
it in. You got it. You got it, bud.
Oh, we've got some.
There. Oh.
No.
With the pike.
Let's let him go.
Ike with the pike. Watch out for this guy. Woo! Can you help me out here too? Ooh, did you get one? Are Bob and Jeff when I'm still here?
Yep. Oh, it's a sunny again. Darn it. Yep. They're there.
Mom, can you set this up here? Up there?
Oh, did I get him? I still got him.
Can I have it? Can I reel it? Can I reel it, Dad? Can I
Oh,
reel it?
hang on.
Watch out.
He's right there.
Watch out.
Oh, it's crappie. Yeah.
Can we keep that? Dad, keep it?
Not quite, maybe.
Oh, Dad.
It's a crappie there.
head.
You want to keep everything, don't you?
Yes.
Proper.
Okay.
I want to eat fish.
Okay, then keep him,
Oh,
I
geez.
guess.
Cheese.
I think it's best for the environment if you only keep certain fish,
Yeah,
right?
but he's about there. He is probably about a 9-incher.
Oh, hey. It's probably today.
Ooh, here's.
Dad, can I try it? Dad.
Oh, hang on. He's right here. Copy. Oh, he's off.
Oh.
He wasn't.
He's right there.
Oh yeah, they're down there.
I got it right here.
Oh.
That's that one.
Dad, can we... Is that another keeper?
No. He's too small.
Go see.
Oh.
Dad, hand it. Let me
Okay,
pull
reel him.
it down.
Reel
Do
him.
it.
Oh, he's a blue dot. No. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, stop.
Whoa.
There we go. Might even be a 9er.
Hey.
Adder boy. I give that a adder boy.